Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna go out, hang out with the hubs. I actually have two little not foundations, eyeshadows that I got from Urban Decay. It's the Moondust, it's Solstice and Lithium. So we're gonna go ahead and create a look with these today. Maybe mix, because these are all shimmers, maybe mix a little matte, make it something. So if you want to see what look I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
I promised I would wait for you, but I'm getting so impatient.
I have to drink water because I'm fasting and I can't really drink soda or anything like that. I don't usually drink soda, but sometimes, like now that I can do it, then I'm like feeling for it. I like eyeshadow primer that actually has like a color, if that makes sense. Ooh, but this is dark. So it does have a shade, but lord. Oh, we can use this. This is actually from, it's just a concealer brush, and I'm just gonna tap it on here. I don't know, it does have some color, but I feel like this is really dark. Let me see, because I want to use something from Urban Decay, but I need a base. Actually, I'm gonna use this shade right here called Unbridled, and this is in the Vigorously palette from Makeup by Yolondo. So this is a T50 from Makeup Shack. And then I'm just gonna put this all over my lid. I don't know, that base is very, very greasy. I didn't even like I know I don't have a greasy lid, because sometimes I'm like, oh my god, my lid is really dry. Not this time. This time I feel like the shadow just like crumble up one place. I don't know. I don't like this base. I do not like this base. This is this is a brush from Karity, the E28 brush. You know what, I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. And we're just gonna keep fluffing this. I don't like the corner. This is M518 from Morphe. And then I'm just gonna keep blushing it. So I want something light maybe, so I'm gonna use Mad from that same palette to just kind of break the red a little bit. I don't know if I should even put blue. I should have just like... So which shade should we use? Should I use Solstice or should I use... Yeah, let's do Solstice. So this looks like so. Just in a clear little component, nothing special. So this is the M421 from Morphe. I still really like Urban Decay shadows, because I feel like Urban Decay and MAC were the first like OG in the game to like really bring out like bold shades, but I don't know, I feel like they've been kind of slacking and just kind of falling off the wagon kind of thing. It's like they used to be how would I say that? Like sober. And they definitely like fall off the wagon, and they're like back to drinking, because they were like, I used to be rushing to go get Urban Decay eyeshadow palettes, and I haven't bought a palette from Urban Decay in a minute. I actually haven't bought anything from MAC in a minute, except that Wakanda palette, but I just wanted to get it because it was Wakanda, you know.
You get to decide what kind of king you are going to be. Don't freeze.
I never freeze.
Not because like, oh my god, I just want this palette. Yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back and yeah, let's talk about this foundation, right? So today we're gonna be talking about the VDL foundation. So it has a nice component, the jar or the bottle or whatever. It's actually glass and it says it's perfect lasting foundation. I don't know, man. I don't think this foundation works. So it's very liquidy. I feel like this is the, well, you know what? We'll make it work. So for my concealer, I'm gonna actually use this Jaclyn Hill concealer. I've been using this concealer, I kind of like it. You do have to let it dry a little bit. So this one is really light, so I wouldn't put in it like right here. Like that's it. And this one is shade Yellow Fear, and then this one is light medium. And that's what I'm gonna put like on the rest, like right here. So what is this? Is it a bronzer? I don't know why I said it like that. So this is from Danessa Myricks, and we're gonna use this bronzer. I'm gonna use this brush. This is a angle contour brush from Ruce. See, I feel like this is like very cool, very cool. What shade is this? Deep. But when I tried the other shade, man, it did not look like it was gonna bronze me. Oh wow. Oh god, oh god. Look at this. I mean, I don't think I can jack up my face. And look at this anymore today because it's already pretty bad. But I keep saying I don't know if I can jack it up anymore, but leave it to me and I'll do that. Like look at, that's like almost like black. I don't know. And I think because I'm wearing this foundation that's dark for me, I'm jacking it all up. But I'm not too worried about this because how bad can it get, right? This is a lot happening. A lot. I'm gonna use this brush to blend this concealer in here, right here. Today, my face makeup is not great. I am not feeling it. Not feeling it. Yeah, I don't know. So this concealer dries up like pretty fast. But I feel like the coverage is not, you know, the best. So I have to leave it, you know, for a little bit. Man, look at this. Like, look at my neck. Like, look at this. That's how dark that foundation is. And then if I couldn't be like make it like worse, I'm like, oh, let's you know, put a really dark contour to jack it up. Like, I am so scared to try this for my boxy charm. Like, this is making me nervous, like so nervous. Pray for me, y'all. This is a 410 from Makeup by Yolondo. Oh my god. Now look at all the stuff. Where is it? So let's try my finger. You know, because that kind of warms up the product. And nothing happening. It's actually lifting up my foundation. So that's a no. This face, I feel so bad because I'm just like, I just keep jacking it up. The foundation is too dark, and then the contour is too dark, and then yeah, it's just like one bad thing after the next. It's like, this is just like a train wreck. It just keeps getting bad and bad and bad, and yeah. But you know, we're here. And we're gonna try to save it. We're gonna try to save it. This is my powder from Charlotte Tilbury. It's a 1, and I'm just gonna use this to set this. A very light layer. And then I'm gonna go in and set. Oh, actually, like, you know, I'm just gonna use, this is the new translucent blurring powder from Laura Mercier. I don't know, I just went blank. And these sponges, I got them from Amazon. There's a ton of different ones. You can just search for these, and then I like these are really good to apply your, like this little thing right here just goes like, or this little point just goes right in here. Just kind of everywhere I put my concealer, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it there. And to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury powder as well, but this one is the number 2. I'm gonna try to bring this down my neck and see if I can blend all the edges of this, cause dude, I don't know how to get this powder to not be so dark. Or not this powder, this foundation. That's a lot. Okay. We're just gonna keep it moving. Keep it moving. I might use this, but that might be the last time because this is, I got this from my BoxyCharm, and it just, the foundation just like spreads. It's all over the place. Not the foundation, sorry, the eyeshadow. Like it just slides. I don't know why I'm gonna put this on, but again, I will see. So I'm just gonna have a drink of water, because I'm not drinking any alcohol right now for the next week and a half, because I'm being good. Well, no. I'm gonna use this. This is from Decay. It's Waterline Legend. And for my inner corner, and to keep watching my video to make sure that it doesn't stop, of course, because already I have to do voiceovers, which is the death of me. Well, I had to do 1-for-1 video and then I have to do another one. Ugh. It's just not my thing. Okay, so let's bronze the face. I'm gonna try not to go too heavy with my bronzer because I feel like this whole thing is already patchy kind of. So I'm gonna use this bronzer from ABH, and this shade is what? It's just Off the Coast. I think that's number 2. This is a bronzer brush from Ulta, brush number 21. I'm gonna use this M406 brush from Morphe, and then I'm gonna use, I think this is from Partner, I think. My blush, I only have one blush from them, but I'm like, I need something. We're gonna use a little Doja Cat's XABH, just a little, because this is like blinding. See? Not the business today. This is number 2. I'm just gonna give it a little something. And then I'm gonna use molds from ABH. So I feel like these are gonna be dark. So this is from Laura Lee and Dose of Colors. What shade is that? Play It Cool. And then this is from Laura Lee. What shade is this? Show Off. Is that what it is? Yep, Show Off. And I'm gonna use my Morphe Continuous Mist. Okay, so that's for this look. It's a simple look. I know. I'm just gonna go hang out with the house. Actually, I'm gonna go look for a gift for his mom. And yeah, just something, you know, simple and quick that you can do every day. Like, I'm literally using 2 eyeshadows on my eyes. So that's it, guys, for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.
Flawless.